Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the euro symbol on your Google Slides mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the euro symbol, currency symbol on your Google Slide mobile? I just going to show in short video. So I just opening this and click on this edit option here, edit slide option. So to insert the euro symbol, you just need to use your Google keyboard. I just using Google keyboard or Gboard because there is no insert symbol option present in the Google Slide mobile. So instead of that, you can just use this Google keyboard. Double tap here, click on this and click this again. You will find the euro symbol here. You can just insert it. Otherwise, you can use this symbol, dollar symbol. Long press on the dollar symbol. This is a trick, hidden trick. You can just insert the dollars euro symbol by using this option. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.